There are four main differences between the i700 and the i600. The first one is the i600 does not have a remote control, as seen here on the i700. So, as you can see the difference, there's no remote control here. Now, you may be wondering, what's this remote control button for? This remote control button is used to navigate the software during the scanning workflow, and this is to prevent the need to touch the laptop. I personally don't use this too often because I work with my DA and she's doing all that for me. So the omission of this remote control button in the i600 isn't a major for me. The next thing is no UVC disinfection. For those who don't know, the i700 uses a UVC LED within the scanner to disinfect the internal components of the scanner. Now, the issue of this is that to have this feature working, you need to use the scanner connected to a power source and not simply just by USB-C alone. So because I always use my scanners with just a USB connection, this is not really a major downside of the i600 either. Thirdly, there's no HD mode. You may be aware that many scanners on the market offer something like an HD mode, which basically is a software toggle that enables the scanner to capture a higher density mesh while scanning. This is the case with the i700 and i700 wireless, and it is a bit of a contentious topic because some users swear by using an HD mode while others never use it. I personally don't use HD mode in every single case. So again, the fact that this is not present in the i600 is not a really significant factor for me. Lastly is the FPS, or frames per second. This is the important one. This is the number of images captured on the software while you're scanning. In the i700 and i700 wireless, this is up to 70 FPS, while in the i600, this is limited to 35 FPS. And this is limited almost artificially because, as I mentioned, they all use the same optical technology. So this is really the number one thing that differentiates the i600 to the rest of the scanners. But it's important to know that this does not impact accuracy. It basically only impacts how smooth the scanning experience feels. So for $4,500 less, you get basically the same scanner as the i700, but without the remote control, no UVC LED, no HD mode, and kept at 35 frames per second.